In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free shipping on Shopify. Let's dive right in and embark on this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. You can easily access this by logging into your store's account through the Shopify website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the Home dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. From here, click on the option labeled Customers. This section is where you manage all your customer interactions and information, which can be crucial for personalizing communication or managing orders effectively. Once you're in the Customers tab, you'll see a list of your customer information. Here, locate and click on the customer named Test1. It's important to note that in your store, you'll be selecting whichever customer you'd like to work with. Now on to the next step. After selecting your desired customer, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a small icon featuring 3 dots. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with more actions. From this drop-down, you should select the Email option. Doing so makes it easier to communicate directly via email with customers, especially when sharing important updates like the introduction of free shipping. Once the email window pops up, take a moment to craft a thoughtful email. At this point, you select Custom Message to tailor the email to your preference. This message can be a great opportunity to not only inform the customer about the free shipping, but also to engage with them in a more personalized way. Structuring your email with clear and concise information ensures that the customer will understand and appreciate the offer. As you write, it's beneficial to consider including any details about potential exclusions or conditions, such as minimum purchase requirements for free shipping. This transparency not only cultivates trust with your customers, but also enhances overall satisfaction. As you wrap up your email, double-check for any errors and make sure your message conveys the intended information briefly and with clarity. Once you're confident with your crafted message, go ahead and hit send. This is a simple yet effective way to maintain a direct line of communication with your customers, ensuring they're kept in the loop regarding promotions and updates. And there you have it, a clear and uncomplicated method to set up free shipping on Shopify, along with efficiently notifying your customers about these beneficial changes. Always remember to monitor responses and engage with any feedback they might share with you. This helps in refining your offerings and communication strategy even more. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to stay tuned for more insightful guides to help you maximize the potential of your Shopify store. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta!